Alright, so today we are going to talk about highest common factor, or also known as HCF. Sometimes they call it greatest common factor, greatest. So it's GCF. It's actually the same thing. So first you need to know what a factor is. Factor is the divisor. So for example, now we're going to take, let's look at question 1A, not the example. So question 1A, look for the highest common factor of 8 and 12. So there are a few ways to approach this. The first one is to list out all the factors. For example, 8 equals to 2 times 4. Or you can list out the prime factors, 2 times 2 times 2. And then you find out the factors of 12. 2 times 6, so 2 times 2 times 3. And you are going to look for what is in common. So what is in common here is 2 times 2. So the highest common factor here equals to 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so please take note that factor is always smaller because it's the divisor than the number. So if you're going to look for the highest common factor, it will always be smaller or equal to the number. Smaller or equal. If you get a bigger number, that is actually the multiple. So another way to do this, let us use another sample. So 8 times 25. I mean 8 and 20, 10 and 25. So another way to do it is to use this. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So you can divide it at the same time. So they can be divisible by 5. And you will get 5. And can it be divided further? No. So the highest common factor is this one. So the HCF equals to 5. It actually works the same way. Or if you want to try to list it out, go ahead. So 10 equals to 2 times 5. And 25 equals to 5 times 5. And you'll see that in common is the number 5. So this is HCF. Or if you want to do the other method, see, okay, 3 numbers, 12, 18, 24. If you want to do it this way, 12 equals to 2 times 6, and 6 equals to 2 times 3. And for 18, 18 is 2 times 9. For 9 is 3 times 3. And 24, 2 times 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So you have to find what is in common. 2, 2, 2. And while 12 has 2 and 24 have 2, but 18 doesn't have 2. And 3. 3, 3, 3. And that's all. So the HCF equals to 2 times 3, which is 6. So this is another way. My preferred method is actually this one, which I will show you why. Because when you're dealing with 3 digits, it will be much easier. 15, 21, 27. So 15, 21, 27. So they are divisible by 3, and you get 5, 7, 9. And it can be divided further. So HCF equals to 3. Let me show you another sample. This is D. Let's do E. 36, 63, 108. So 36, 63, 108. So firstly, I'm going to use 3, and I'll get 12, 31, and 36. And then, can I divide it further? I don't think so. So the answer is 3. I want to show you one that has more. Okay, for example, G. We have 32, 56, and 72. So 32, 56, 72, they can be divided by 2. So you'll get 16. And 22, nope, sorry, 28 and 36. And then they can be divided by 2 again. If you think you know it's 4, you can go ahead and write 4. But I like to do it the small way. 8, 14, and 18. And then by 2 again. 2, 4, 7, 9. And it can be divided further. So the HCF is actually the one on the left, which is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Done. Okay, so this is the way you can find HCF, and I will cover multiples in another video.